Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log in your American Express credit card online. So if you want to get hold of your credit card account and manage it online, then this video is for you. Simply go ahead and open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in americanexpress.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website for American Express, go ahead and click on the login link at the top right hand corner. Here in this page, you'll need to enter your user ID and password. Go ahead and enter your password and user ID in both of the text fields. And right beneath the password box, click the drop down and make sure you select Cards and Banking option. Once you are done, if you'd like the system to remember you, check this Remember Me box. Leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device, and finally click the login button and you'll be logged into your American Express online banking account. If enabled, you'll also need to enter the two-factor authentication code. Your two-factor authentication code might be received on your email or phone number associated with American Express. After entering the code, you'll be able to access and manage your American Express credit card account online, check your balances, view recent transactions, make payments, and much more. So that is how you can easily log in and access your American Express credit card online with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Goodbye till then.